Today I am reviewing the MANNKITCHEN pepper cannon. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The MANNKITCHEN pepper cannon pepper mill is not your average kitchen grinder. It is a serious, professional-grade tool designed for people who actually care about speed, consistency, and performance when it comes to seasoning food. At first glance, it might look like just another pepper mill, but once you start using it, you immediately realize it belongs in a completely different category. The first thing that stands out is the sheer power and speed of this pepper mill. It is advertised as being up to 10 times faster than top-rated traditional grinders, and in real-world use, that claim is not just marketing talk. The grinding mechanism is incredibly efficient, allowing you to season a steak in just a few cranks instead of what normally feels like endless twisting on standard pepper mills. With conventional grinders, you often find yourself turning the mechanism dozens of times just to get enough pepper for a single dish. With the pepper cannon, that entire process becomes dramatically faster. A few solid turns, and you already have a generous amount of freshly ground pepper ready to go. For anyone who cooks regularly, this alone changes the entire experience of seasoning food. Another major highlight is the grind consistency and range. The pepper cannon is capable of everything from coarse cracked pepper all the way down to a fine powder. This level of versatility is something you usually do not find in standard household grinders. Many pepper mills struggle to maintain consistency across different grind settings, but this one is engineered for precision. Whether you want a rough grind for steak crusts or a fine grind for sauces and seasoning blends, the adjustment system is smooth and reliable. The Never Slip adjuster ensures that once you set your preferred grind size, it stays exactly where you want it without drifting during use. The internal engineering is where this product really shows its professional-grade design. It features oversized bearing-supported drive shafts and high-carbon stainless steel burrs. In simple terms, this means it is built for durability, smooth operation, and long-term reliability. The grinding mechanism feels solid, controlled, and extremely efficient, even under heavy use. Unlike cheaper grinders that can feel loose, inconsistent, or weak over time, the pepper cannon feels like a precision tool. Every rotation is smooth and purposeful, with no wasted motion. You can immediately feel the difference in build quality when compared to standard kitchen grinders. The body of the mill is also worth mentioning. It is constructed from heavy-duty solid milled and anodized aluminum, which gives it a premium feel and excellent durability. It is not a lightweight plastic kitchen gadget. It feels dense, stable, and built to last. This weight actually works in its favor during use. It stays stable in your hand and gives you better control while grinding, especially when doing quick seasoning during cooking. It feels like a tool designed for serious kitchen environments rather than casual occasional use. Another thoughtful design feature is the quick-release top, which makes refilling extremely easy. Instead of struggling with complicated disassembly or messy refills, you can quickly open the top, pour in peppercorns, and continue using it almost immediately. This makes maintenance simple and hassle-free. The base cup for storage is another practical addition. It helps prevent mess on your countertop and allows for convenient one-handed peppering when needed. This is especially useful during active cooking when you do not want to interrupt your workflow just to season a dish. In real kitchen use, the speed difference is one of the most noticeable improvements. Tasks that normally feel repetitive and time-consuming, like seasoning multiple steaks or preparing large meals, become significantly faster. Instead of grinding endlessly, you can focus more on cooking and less on repetitive manual effort. For home cooks, this means less frustration and more efficiency. For serious food enthusiasts or professionals, it means improved workflow in high-volume cooking situations. Even something as simple as making scrambled eggs or salads becomes faster and more enjoyable when seasoning is effortless. One of the most underrated benefits is consistency. With many pepper mills, you often get uneven grind sizes, which can affect the flavor and texture of food. The pepper cannon solves this by delivering very uniform output across its grind range. This consistency ensures better control over seasoning, which can noticeably improve the quality of your dishes. It also performs well across different types of peppercorns, maintaining its efficiency and output without clogging or struggling. That reliability is important for anyone who uses a pepper mill frequently. Of course, this is a premium tool, and it feels like one in both performance and build quality. It is not designed to be a budget kitchen accessory. Instead, it is aimed at users who value speed, durability, and precision. If you cook occasionally, it might feel like overkill, but for regular cooks, grill enthusiasts, or anyone who enjoys cooking with fresh seasoning, it quickly becomes an essential tool. Another point worth noting is that the pepper cannon is extremely satisfying to use. The mechanical feel of the grinding process, combined with the fast output, gives a sense of control and efficiency that standard grinders simply do not offer. Overall, the MANNKITCHEN Pepper Cannon Pepper Mill is a high-performance kitchen tool that redefines what a pepper grinder can be. It combines extreme speed, professional-level consistency, durable construction, and thoughtful design features into one powerful device. If you care about cooking efficiency, seasoning precision, and premium kitchen tools that actually make a difference in daily use, this pepper mill stands out as one of the most impressive options available. It takes something as simple as grinding pepper and turns it into a fast, smooth, and highly controlled experience that genuinely improves your cooking workflow.